Looking for a reliable power supply for your ThinkServer TS430? Look no further than the Lenovo 03T8867 TS430 AcBel FSA028 450W hot swap power supply. With its compatibility specifically designed for the TS430, this power supply offers seamless integration and optimal performance. Delivering a robust output of 450 watts, this power supply ensures sufficient power for your computing needs without compromising efficiency. Whether you're running demanding applications or multitasking intensively, this power supply has got you covered. One of the standout features of this power supply is its hot swap capability, allowing for convenient and hassle-free maintenance. With hot swap functionality, you can replace the power supply without shutting down the server, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. Built by Lenovo, a trusted brand renowned for quality and reliability, you can rest assured that this power supply meets the highest standards of performance and durability. It's designed to withstand the rigors of continuous operation, making it an ideal choice for both home and business environments. In terms of compatibility, this power supply is tailor-made for the ThinkServer TS430, ensuring seamless integration and optimal functionality. Whether you're upgrading your existing server or building a new one from scratch, this power supply is the perfect choice to meet your needs. Overall, the Lenovo 03T8867 TS430 AcBel FSA028 450W hot swap power supply offers the perfect blend of performance, reliability, and convenience. If you're looking for the ultimate power supply for your ThinkServer TS430, look no further than this exceptional product from Lenovo. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.